Have you ever thought about how advertisements online make money? So in today's video, I'm thrilled to teach you how to make money simply by watching advertising. Using whatever gadget that you have, you might make $1, $20, or even $2 for a single ad that you view for 30 seconds. Isn't that fantastic? Now, within this video, I have 3 defined tips. The first piece of advice is to introduce you to the 3 most effective platforms. Second, I'll show you how to make $300 again and over by using a unique method to ad watching. And in tip 3, I'll show you how to make 3 times as much money. As a result, make sure to watch the entire video because these tips will be provided in the middle of the discussion. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. The first of the 3 websites we'll be talking about today is adwallet.com. And this is how their homepage looks. This is a free app that can be downloaded from both the App Store and the Google Play Store, which means it can be used on any smartphone device. You can earn money on this platform by viewing videos and taking surveys from various brands all over the world. As previously said, each interaction that takes a few minutes could reward you up to $3. You may now see the processes for earning money if you scroll down on their homepage. First, you'll see a video created specifically for you by the website. Second, each video engagement will earn you a minimum of $0.50 and a maximum of $3. Finally, for each friend you refer to the website, you will receive an additional $1. You can also read here that you can cash out whenever your total profits reach $10. The best part about this website is that you can earn real money without any conditions or a complicated points system. This service has paid out over $1.1 million in cash and awards to its users in just the first 12 months, and you may be the next one. You can also observe how simple it is to earn money on this website by participating in the previously listed activities. As you can see right here, you can get paid with MasterCard, e-gift cards, or a donation. To proceed, you can search for Ad Wallet in the Google Play Store or the App Store, and this is how their logo should appear. Once again, this app is completely free to download and use on your smartphone. This is how the app will appear on your phone once you download it. Install first app on your phone so you may earn money from anywhere using only your phone. Now let's go on to the second website of the day. It's called Boxingside.com, and this is how it appears on your screen. This is where you could be able to make money every 10 seconds. This platform, like the last one, offers you money online for watching video advertising. Isn't it great that this platform allows you to cash out in seconds with a $2 minimum cash out? Boxingside accepts PayPal, Payza, ADB Cash, and BitGold as well as other payment methods. Now, here are the website's payment proofs. As you can see, our website is used by people from all over the world to make money. On the website, you may see their username, flag, amount of money, currency, payment method, membership, date, status, and total earnings. To emphasize my point, this website is accessible from everywhere on the planet, and this platform is completely legitimate when it comes to paying its users. You must first create a free account on this website before you may earn money. To do so, go to the top right corner and click the register button. You'll then be directed to this page where you'll input your username, payment email, currency, payment method, and birth year. Simply select your preferred payment method from the drop-down menu. You can use PayPal, ADV Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, and AirTM once more. After you've completed that, I'd like you to identify the objects needed for this website. Then, To agree to the website's terms of service, click this button. Finally, click Register to complete the process of creating your own Boxingside.com account. So how exactly are you going to make money by viewing ads on this website? Simply go to their homepage and click on all of the banners at the bottom of the screen. By clicking on those, you will be redirected to another page where you will be required to view ads or video ads for 10 to 30 seconds in exchange for $1 to $3. You may also find additional banners on the redirected page that you can click to earn more money. To get the best results on this platform, make sure you repeat the process as much as possible. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to enter to win $50, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Let's move on to the final platform for today's tutorial, which is SuccessBox.com. Viewing advertisements and other activities on this website can also earn you cash. Take a look at this payment proof from people all over the world to ensure that this website is legitimate. The username, payment method, income amount, and payment date are all visible. As you can see, they've made anything from $1 to $6 or more simply by viewing a single ad, which is incredible. I highly recommend this app because you can earn more money here by doing surveys, entering contests, and redeeming offers in addition to viewing ads. But for the time being, I need you to concentrate on watching advertisements. Now, the first thing I need you to do is create a new account on this platform. To sign up, go to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Sign Up button. After that, you'll need to enter your full name, password, username, and email address. Then click Register to finish the process. Now that you have your own account, I need you to log in. You're now going to see the actual methods of earning money on this website. Paid to click, paid to sign up, clicks wall, add click wall, personal wall, trial pay, Kiwi wall, offer daddy wall, AdGate wall, survey surfing, and many others are among them. But I want you to focus on AdGate wall and Kiwi wall because these methods pay you the most amount of money. For instance, if I click on Kiwi wall, that's going to show me the activities that I need to do, such as completing surveys and answering quizzes. After I've done an activity, I will earn $1 to $3. Isn't that fantastic? Make sure you visit all the 3 websites and combine all of those so that you will triple your earnings. Once again, the first one was adwallet.com, the second one was boxingside.com, and finally, successbox.com. Complete all of the activities on all those platforms to maximize all of your earning potentials. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of the $10 $50 gift cards, all you need to do is to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word money advertisements. And you'll be entered to win once we hit 5,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.